Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the place where we make tech and software tools easy to understand. In today's video, we are going to talk about something really helpful for anyone thinking of using GoHighLevel. You might already know what GoHighLevel is, or maybe you have just heard the name before. But today, we are not going to talk about the whole tool. We are going to talk about two main plans they offer: the starter plan and the unlimited plan. A lot of people ask which GoHighLevel plan should I pick. So in this video, I am going to explain both the starter and the unlimited plan in simple language. I will talk about what you get in each one, who it is for, and help you decide which one is better for you. Also, I will leave the official GoHighLevel link and any updates or deals in the description below. So after watching this video, don't forget to check the description for that. So let's begin with the starter plan. This plan is the cheaper one. If you are just starting your online business or maybe running a small agency, the starter plan might be a good first step. With this plan, you can create one account for your own business. That means all the tools you get like email marketing, CRM, SMS, funnels, websites, calendar booking, automation, all of that will be just for you and your one business. Now, this is good for solo business owners or freelancers. If you are not handling client or you don't need to build separate accounts for other people, then this plan is enough for you. And also it's cheaper, which make it better for people who don't want to spend too much in the beginning stage. But what if you are working with clients, or what if you want to start your own SaaS business and sell GoHighLevel services to others? That's where the unlimited plan comes in. The unlimited plan is very expensive than the starter plan, but you get a lot more. With this plan, you can create unlimited client account. That means if you are running a marketing agency, you can build separate dashboard for every client. It also allows you to white label the platform. That means you can add your own branding like your logo and your domain, so it looks like your own software. You can even sell access to GoHighLevel feature under your own name and pricing. Now, let's say you are someone who wants to build a software business or a done-for-you service for other businesses. In that case, the unlimited plan is the better option because you are not just using the tool for yourself. You are using it to grow a full business. Also, the unlimited plan gives you the API access, HIPAA compliance for medical clients, so you cannot get it in the starting plan. So it's really more powerful if you are serious about growing a digital agency or SaaS business. So now the big question is, which plan is right for you? If you are a freelancer, a coach, or just starting your own business and don't need to manage other people's clients, then the starter plan is probably all you need. It saves money and it still gives you access to all the main tools. But if you are building an agency or want to offer GoHighLevel tools to your own clients, or even build your own SaaS product, then the unlimited plan is clearly the better choice for you. Yes, it costs more, but you get the power to grow and make your more income from it. Make sure to check the description for the official GoHighLevel links and the latest pricing and update information. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to Easy Access Tech for more honest and easy understanding tech videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.